So over here you can see that I am in the tracking table view, and here you can see that there's the completion percentage that you can enter out. But what you may also want to do is, as you track on different tasks, you may want to see how much budget is remaining or how much days are remaining and so forth. So in that case, what you can do is you can add in the remaining details column as well inside of the table area right here. So to do that, I'm going to click on add new table, and I'm going to type in remaining right here. And here you can see that there's remaining cost, duration, overtime cost, and so forth, and everything shows right here. So let me just go to remaining cost, and you can see the remaining cost right here, and this depends on the percentage right here. So let's say the overall work percentage is like 86%, then you can see that the remaining cost is $10,000 right here. If I were to go around and say 40%, then it is much more less. So you can go around and change the percentage out, and the cost and everything is calculated as per that. If I were to go around over here and say remaining duration, you'll be able to see the total remaining duration for the project as well. So I'm just going to go around and say remaining right here, and remaining work, then you can see the remaining work hours as well. You can go around and say remaining right here. So let's just go around onto add new column, remaining, and there's remaining overtime cost as well. And then you can also go around and go for remaining overtime work as well. So everything is calculated, as you can see. So as I go around and change around the progress right here, just like this, if it is 100%, then nothing is remaining over here. But if I were to go around and change it, the percentage, the overall percentage changes as well, and you can see the remaining duration, remaining work, and if there are, you can see the remaining overtime costs and overtime work as well for each of the tasks right here. So let's just go around and change around the task right here, just like this. So let's just go around over here as well and change this out, and you can see that everything else changes out. So I can go around over here, change out the remaining time and everything over here is automatically calculated. For the milestone task, the percentage is not affecting what you see right here. That is because they are milestones. They are meant to be completed right then and there. So that's usually supposed to be 100% itself. But over here on the top, you can see that whatever other values that I have right here, depending on the values, you can see the total percentage of the work complete. You can see the remaining cost, the remaining duration, and remaining work for individual as well as the entire project right here. And that is how you can go around and then see the remaining details column for recording progresses inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.